Good morning, children. So, today my topic is development, the first chapter of economics, class 10th. Here, the one picture is being given here. So, you are watching market. Market scene is shown here. So many people are there at one place, market. So, market situation is shown here, such a high population, congested roads, so many shops at one place, but everyone is in need of different products, so people are visiting in the market. Before markets, you already studied as barter system. Barter system means the people were exchanging the products in the olden time. They were not having money, but as well as money is being chosen to exchange the products, then markets are developed. So, one situation is shown here about the markets. Another picture you can see vegetable markets is shown here. People are selling the products and afterward we or the other consumers they are purchasing and they are paying money and afterward getting products. So system has become changed. But old market system and new market system. You are watching here the grain markets. A variety of the grains are brought from the villages and sold in the different towns, cities, as well as in big cities also. So again, the grain markets developed. So many markets are developed at the different places according to the need of the people. At present, if we look towards the development, so I just want to say the development. Development means the growth. Development means the progress in each and every field which is being done. Previously, the barter system well known. At present, the money is being chosen as an exchange of products. So, there is a development between the system of the market. If we look towards the another picture, so it is showing markets of a town. There is no time bar, only the times are being fixed from 10 to 8. Then people are visiting there, they are completing their demands in the small buildings, small shops. But at present, if we look, there is a development or there is a change, there is a progress in the system of the market. Means you are watching mall. So market system is changed. So many products are sold at one place and a lot of facilities are also being given while the charges are also being fixed. The people are paying a lot of money and afterward getting a lot number of facilities, number of products, so many brand products are sold here. So there is a change or the growth in the market, there is a progress. The system is totally changed. That is being known as a development. So development is being done in each and every field. Here I have shown you the development or progress in the market system. Another picture again showing about the mall escalators are shown here and the people are visiting, lifts is there. Means the previously in the old market these facilities were not there. But in the new markets, you are watching so many facilities and system has become changed. So development is continuous in the market system. Another picture here telling something about the system of the village or the transport system. In the olden time, the bullock carts were very much being used and people were moving from one place to another place. Either they were using animals or they were using such types of the carts and they were covering the distances. But if we look towards here, again the another mean of transport is being shown here, but they are telling about the past, not today. But today, if we look towards the transport system, then again there is a change. You see the one old types of the bus carrying the people, passengers, and as well as the goods. So one place to another place. See, it was very common, especially in Kolkata. The people are drawing as a cards. The animals are not being fixed, and afterward they were charging pennies, but the cost was low. Again, then scooters are brought in the system of the transportation, means development. Development is shown here through the pictures. Previously, what types of the transport people were using. At present, the transport has become changed. So very slowly the changes have come while they are brought by man. You see the train, steam engines fixed, but at present, electric engines, diesel engines are fixed. They are controlling over the pollution also, and buses are running on the road. So system is changed. Previously, the distances were overcome by the cart, by the bicycle, and the pedestrians. They were taking a lot of time, number of days. But at present, within an hour, we can reach as from one place to another place. And here you are watching what a tremendous change. Even the world has become shrunk. World looks smaller just because of this facility, means aeroplanes. So, air transport is also developed, which is overcoming the distances. People are reaching within hours from one state to another state, from one country to another country. So, then what a tremendous change, what a tremendous development is being done in the system of the transportation. Previously, people could not think, but day by day, the changes are brought in transportation system. That is known as a development in the two fields I have shown you, I have discussed with you, explained thoroughly. The development is in transportation, development is in communication, and as well as we can say next is communication. Communication system, I want to say, very olden time, at the time of the monarch period, when there was no postman, there was no other system, the pigeons were carrying the messages. They were holding the one paper in this picture, and picture is telling as the messages are carried, and the pigeons were trained, then afterward they carried the messages. So then people were doing their own efforts. How, before that, as you see at the time of Ramayana and Mahabharata, then people were moving and they were taking a lot of time to cover the distances, carry the messages. But here you are watching pigeon. Then first of all, pigeons were being used. At present, so many things are being shown here in this picture, as the radio hai and the ship's flag, they are telling something, and TV has drums, and then drums were being beaten, telephones, then drums were being beaten, and in the olden time, and they were telling or conveying the messages whatever the king wanted to tell to the public. Then with the help of the drums beat, they were being conveyed. But now the system is changed. You are watching as the telephone is brought. So then dial system. People started talking even to the people living as in nearby areas, small towns. Further, it also covered the distances. Now people are sending messages even on the ship, in the planes. Then everywhere the messages are being sent. Then talks are being done with this telephone help. And another you are watching as system, and it is also a very good system of the communications, and the computers desktops are shown here, and a lot of data is being kept here, which is safe, and as well as the teaching is done, people are taking trainings, then so many things are being done just because of this computer system. You're watching then the computer change into laptops, and some so many computer those are being sold, then old machinery being used like this, but then separate desktops are separate, laptops are separate, now they are being made. Then again I want to say development is done continuously. First, I have shown you at the types of the market. Here I am showing you as the communication system, transportation system is already discussed. Then development is there continuously in these fields. Development is continuous, means the one line is given in a book also, you can underline. Development is perennial, it cannot be stopped. It can be fast, it can be slow, but it will be. So many things are changed just because of the man efforts, and in this way, the development, whatever is being done in different fields, then it has brought so many facilities, so many comforts. People are taking benefits. Now we are talking whenever we want, and with the people living in other countries also. Then development is there in communication system. So, no one can deny the importance of the development, progress, and the growth. And that development is not only in these three fields, whatever shown here. Development is in industries, industrial development, agriculture development, as well as our living style, our quality of life. Everywhere there is a development. So, development cannot stop, cannot be ceased. I just want to say development is different in different places according to the demand, according to the needs and necessity of the people, but development will be. So next point I will discuss in my another video. Till then, please revise the point, underline the keywords. Thank you.